Congratulations on the purchase of your new Ford Escape Titanium Hybrid. Hi, this is Jim Brickell from Ed Learn Ford, and I wanted to give you a quick orientation on some of the key features in your new vehicle. For example, at the back end here, we have the foot-activated liftgate. Wave your foot underneath the vehicle, and the tailgate opens up. So if your hands are full, it's easy to operate. Now, as we go up, there is a button that you can manually close it, and the other thing you can do with that button is control the height of the vehicle when it opens. So push it in, pull it down, hold it, there was a beep, and now the next time it'll only go to that height. So once again, wave the foot, and now it is stopped at the lower height. So if you've got a low-fitting garage, you don't have to have it smash into the roof. And for resetting it at the higher height, once again, push the button in, back up to your desired height, wait for the beep, and now it'll be set. As we come around onto the driver's side, the fuel door is right here. However, it will not open from the outside. You must go on the driver door, right here next to your light switch, and then you can open up your gas. It is the easy fuel system. No fuel door or fuel cap is required. Now, on the driver door, the numbers 1, 2, and 3, that's for programming your driver's seat position. Once you've used the power controls to get it where you want it, push and hold, and the sound will beep, and that will lock in your position. On the door, we have your mirror controls, which mirror you're using, and the arrows to adjust your power windows. And for the driver, forward, back, up, down, recline, and straighten, and then this one is a lumbar support. Also, easier to see from outside the vehicle is the tilt wheel. So on the left-hand side of the steering column, release allows you to go up and down as well as in and out, and then lock back into position. Now, with a hybrid, you have to remember that it can start and you might not even hear it. Your foot goes on the brake. There is a button just to the right of the steering column. Didn't hear a thing, but it does show ready to drive. So that means it's in the electric mode. Now, the vehicle will seamlessly switch from electric to gas as required. And as you're driving with the gas engine, it'll be charging the battery. When you're braking, it'll be charging the battery. So you'll be able to maximize your fuel economy. On the left-hand side of the steering column, we have a series of buttons. And that will be for your lane centering, your adaptive cruise control, how far you're staying behind someone, setting the speed. It also has your volume up and down for your stereo. On the right-hand side of the steering column, as we hit OK, it's now changing your display. So you've got fuel economy, we've got a calm screen, tire pressure, trip 1, fuel economy, and back to your comm screen. So it's all about setting up what's important to you. You also have a menu, which allows you to select from the different screens, go put on your audio, your navigation, phone, So you can, once again, pick and choose what's important to you. And also on the right-hand side, this button here is your voice control. There's about 10,000 things you can control with your voice. I'll just do a couple quick samples. Push it in.
I didn't get that. Please try again.
FM 105.7.
Tuning to FM 105.7.
Sirius 7.
The subscription is not active.
Find a place.
Searching nearby. Please say the name of the POI.
Ed Learn Ford.
Please say a line number or say none of those.
1.
Please say a line number or say none of those.
1.
When ready, press the voice button and then say set as destination or dial the number.
At this point, I'm going to save that to our favorites. So you can also put in a home address, a work address, your favorite places to go. And with the stereo, you can also shut it off from right here. So you can do it with your voice or you can do it manually. On the screen, across the bottom, we have our audio settings. You've got your sources, AM, FM, and Sirius. And once you've paired your phone, you could also play music off of a Bluetooth device. With regards to your phone, hit phone, add phone, go to your Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, and you'll be able to pair the phone to the vehicle. Once you've paired it, you'll be able to make hands-free calls by saying, call Fred, call Wilma, whoever might be saved on your phone. And if you didn't have the number saved, you would say dial 905-684-8791 or whatever number you're trying to get to. Navigation shows a map of where you are. A search. There we go. And you can type in what you're looking for. And in this case, I typed in 375 and it brought up Ontario Street in St. Catharines. So it's trying to guess where you're trying to get to.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving. Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
So now this is showing us the S is your starting point. Checkered flag is 600 meters away, and we should be there by 2:08. It's 2:06 now, so we're just a couple minutes away from Ed Learn Ford. If you choose not to go there, you can also hit the X right there and confirm that you've canceled the route. Another way of canceling it would be going back to your voice button and then say cancel route. On the controls, we have our apps, we have our settings. And with regards to settings, your sound, your clock, your Bluetooth, driver assistance. This is an important one. So your cruise control on adaptive and lane keeping, you can turn these things on as required. So set them up before you go out and make sure that you know where you're going and which controls are active. As you drop down, you've got the climate controls. Both sides of the vehicle for titanium have their own temperature control. So now this one's 19 degrees on this side, 19 on that. and you can switch them independent. So now we have 2 different temperatures for both sides of the vehicle. Your heated seats are down here. Your heated steering wheel is this one here. And then just kind of where the air is flowing within the vehicle. The gear shift is now a twist knob. So park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Your parking brake. And down here we have the different drive modes, the parking mode, the reverse sensors, and you should be ready to go. So I hope you enjoy your new vehicle. Please let me know if and how I can be of any further service to you. That's Jim Brickell, Ed Learn Ford.